Hi, I'm Alex and I study environmental change using tree rings. And for the last and final year of my PhD, I'm going to share everything that I've learned and continue to learn about the environment, about trees, about climate change with anybody that wants to listen. And at the same time, I'm going to show footage of my somewhat challenging and intense fieldwork going to some of the oldest forests in Eastern Canada to get all my samples. So please, if you're interested, follow me.
Richardson.
Okay, every time.